Hello friends, now let's solve the possible bipartition problem. This problem is similar to its graph bipartite. There is only a little difference. So let's see this statement. Given a set of n people numbered 1, 2 to n, we would like to split everyone into two groups of any size. Each person may dislike some other people, and they should not go into the same group. Formally, if dislikes I equal AB, it means it is not allowed to put the people numbered A and B into the same group. Return true if and only if it is possible to split everyone into two groups in this way. So basically, the problem asks us to try to split n people into two groups, and it doesn't matter the size of each group. So how to think about this problem? Basically, we are trying to color this graph, and this graph, the node in this graph is the people, and we try to and the age in this graph is the dislike, which means if one dislikes two, they have an age in this graph. So we first try to build a graph based on this dislikes array, and then for every node from 1 to n, we try to color it. If it hasn't been colored, we colored that to 1. And if it already been colored, we will see if it's the same color with the color we are trying to color it. So basically the solution is first build a graph and then try to color each node. So if the node hasn't been colored, we color that to 1. And then we will try to color its dislikes nodes to negative color, which is color them to the -1. And every time we will check if there is some conflict. If there is some conflict, we just return false because we cannot color all the nodes. If we traverse all the graph and color all the nodes, there is no conflicts, which means we can bipartite this whole graph, so we return true. So let's solve it. And for the build graph part, we can use agency matrix or agency list. I will use agency list. I will use a map, and the key is a node, and the value will be a set of the integers. That will be its dislikes node. So new hash map. And then for every dislikes, we know that A is D1 and the int B will be A is D0, B is D1. This represents two nodes, right? Like it's a two person. Okay, and then put if absent A and the new hash set. And put if absent a new hash set. Then put if absent b new hash set. Then we will get a and add b. We will add an age and get b, add a, because if dislikes are equal to A and B, which means A dislikes B and B dislikes A. And now we get this graph, and then we will need a colors array. The size should be n plus 1. And for every node, start from 1, less or equal than ni plus plus. If colors I equal to 0, which means we haven't colored. And we use DFS to color every node, but we can also use BFS, So it's DFS and parse these nodes, colors. And the current color, we will try to color it to 1. And another color will be -1, okay? So colors and 1, and the current node is I, and we will pass the graph. If there is some conflict, we just return false. Finally, we will return true. So let's write this DFS function. We will return Boolean, and the first parameter will be the colors. And this is the color we try to color it. And next is the current node. And we will also need the graph. Okay, so the base case should be if we already color this node. If it is not equal to 0, we need to return if the color it has equal to the color we try to color it. Okay, if we haven't colored it, we will color that to the color. And you should notice that we haven't put all the nodes in the graph. So if G gets the node equal to null, which means he doesn't have any dislikes persons, we return true because there is no conflicts. And if it has dislikes person, we will G get node. Okay, if DFS colors, we will color its dislikes person to the conflict color. That will be negative color. And the node will be next. And there will be color. We return false. If not any conflict, we will return true. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.